I'm going to start a YouTube channel using only AI. I plan to automate the entire creative process from script writing to visuals, voiceovers, and more. Let's see if I can get 100,000 views or even monetize it in 30 days. So while I was on my phone scrolling through shorts, I kept seeing clips going viral with these podcasts, which gave me an idea. Even if you search, let's say, Steve Harvey funny moments, you see, we're talking about millions of views. This is the perfect niche for AI because these videos are faceless and they don't really require any original ideas or footage. Yep, that's our niche. Let's go for it. Firstly, we need to brand our channel. Let's ask ChatGPT for 10 YouTube channel names for shorts about Steve Harvey. Harvey Shorts, I dig it. Next up, our channel description. Write a short description for a YouTube channel about Steve Harvey. A small tip here, an optimized YouTube description with keywords can help your channel rank for YouTube SEO by a lot. On to our profile picture. I'm going to use Stable Diffusion, an open source AI generator. Let's generate Steve Harvey cartoon in 4K. Okay, now to finish up, we need a banner. I'm gonna use our profile picture with our name next to it. Boom! The channel branding's all done. All done by AI. But now for the real challenge, making the videos. A video is comprised of 5 basic elements: the script, voiceover, visuals, music, and captions. Now, luckily with this kind of niche, our viewers are primarily looking for Steve Harvey's content, so we don't need to do all of that. We just need to collect long-form content that's already on YouTube and optimize it for the shorts. But hear me out. This is the insane part. I found this website called Opus Clips. With one long video, 10 viral clips. Opus Clips is a generative AI video tool that repurposes long videos into short ones. This will select the best parts of your podcast or video, subtitle them, add emojis, face track, and even generate a score to show you the virality potential of each clip. So just go on YouTube, copy the URL, enter it, and let the AI do its magic. Once generated, it provides the most viral clips for you. For example,
tell me another word for being drunk.
Inebriated?
Inebriated.
Yes.
Yeah, I got it.
There you go.
Name something that can ruin a kiss.
A mustache. A long mustache.
it chose the greatest moments, removed all the pauses, created subtitles, and even scored them so you could upload the best ones. Now, upload them to YouTube. But first, you gotta title and hashtag your shorts in order for them to go viral. On Opus, every single video it generates also has a title that you can use. So just take those titles and use them for your shorts. Now for your video description. The description is very important when it comes to SEO as well. This is how you're gonna get your search views. Plus, you're giving YouTube more info about your video, so it can find and recommend your video to the right viewers. So, once again, let's go back to ChatGPT and type YouTube Shorts description for Steve Harvey funny moments. And here it is. Now for the hashtags. I recommend using VidIQ's AI Coach because VidIQ's AI Coach is like ChatGPT, but specifically trained and optimized for YouTube. So, let's generate the best hashtags for a YouTube short about Steve Harvey. Now, you don't want to overdo it. Just copy 3 hashtags max and paste them into your video's description. You then upload the video and repeat the same process for more videos. Congratulations! Your first video is now live. Keep in mind that while creating an automated YouTube channel can be a great way to earn money with minimal effort, it's still important to create high-quality content that resonates with your audience. Now I'll have to do that for the next 30 days. And if you want to get your videos better and get better results with them, this video here is going to give you more insights to achieve that.